Welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So, as I told you in my previous tutorials, I explained you the requirement of design parameter for HVAC system for real projects. So, we have already studied the first requirement was drawing the floor plan and for floor plan section elevation and all. So first of all, we have to study the drawing, okay, and then you have to enter in the next step, which is the load calculation. Okay, so the load calculation we will start in this video. We will start the load calculation in the app for each space one by one. Okay, so please be with me because this video will be split in different parts. So I will make the video part by part because of the project is very lengthy. So please be with me and let us watch my full video so that you can get the full concept. Okay, so let us start now. As you can see, this is the floor plan and there are two plan in this two floor plan building. This is a ground floor plan and this is your first floor plan. Okay, and this is your roof plan. Okay, and this is the section elevation and this is the section view. Okay, so we'll start from the ground floor. Okay, so let me open this app software. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys once again, please, if you're still not yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video, you'll get the notification of that video. So this is the app software. Okay, so let us first open this app software. Okay, and cancel everything. Then you have to go to this year. Okay, project and then new. Okay, in this you have to select here the project and you have to select the ventilation standard first and you will select the latest one. I am going to select the ventilation standard here as standard 62.1 2016. So this is your ventilation standard according to ASRE. So this is the one of interview question. So remember this is the ventilation standard as 62.1. Okay, and this is the code. Whenever it is revised, there will be different code. First one is 2001, 2004, 2007, 10, 13, and now is 16. Okay, so select the latest one and go to the general tab. You have to select the SI metric or English system, wherever you want you have to select that one. Okay, so I'm going to select here English system. And energy analysis I'm not going to select because I'm not going to do the energy analysis. That this topic will be discussed later. I'm going to select only this toolbar, status bar, show toolbar, date, time, and all this will be in check because this will be appear in your report. Okay, and then click OK. Now you can see here there is untitled. Okay, so in this untitled you have to select this. Okay, left click and then right click, go to the properties, and now you will get this project properties pop-up box. So in this you have to enter your project detail. So my project is here, Hamri Steel ground floor plan, Hamri Steel office building number 5. Okay, so my project is office building number 5. So let us enter here Ria Steel office building 05. You can enter the number here 05. Okay, and this is the date. This is the date is showing here, current date and time is showing here. Contact number, so you can contact that person, anyone. You can put your designer number or anyone. And here is the designation of that number. Okay, so I'm going to put here engineer, and here I'm going to put success engineering. Okay, official. Success engineering official, and I'm going to select here designer. Okay, and this project manager you can enter here, and this is your notes. Whatever you want to enter, you can enter here and just click OK. So this is over. Now you have to select the weather properties. Okay, select this in this here. You can select the weather and double click here properties. So weather properties you have to click here. Okay, and this you can see here the first, there are three tabs here actually. So three tabs is active. In the first tab you can select here region, location and cities. So I'm going to select here region Middle East, and location is UAE, and this is for the Dubai. So I'm going to select here Dubai. Okay, so remaining this parameter, latitude, longitude, elevation, and summer design, dry valve, wet valve, and daily range, everything will be selected by software. Why? Because this is by default enter in this software. Okay, so no need to change. If you want to change, if you have the updated data, you can simply enter here also. So this is editable type. You can edit if you want it. Okay, or if you don't want, you can leave as it is. Okay, in the next tab, this is your monthly maximum and minimum dry valve and wet bulb temperature, and this is your solar design. So no need to change this. Simply click OK. OK, and then you have to go to this next step is schedule. Create the schedule. So here you can click on schedule and double click on new default schedule. So in this schedule you can get three tabs also. Okay, so three tabs here. So in the first tab is schedule. So I'm going to create the schedule here. So first schedule will be lighting schedule. Okay, lighting schedule. And lighting schedule is comes under the fractional. Like you can see in the schedule type, fractional, people, lighting, equipment, miscellaneous, and civil light, and whatever it is, it will comes under this. So you have to check this fractional. Okay, and then go to the overlay profile. Select one profile here. Okay, and this profile will be 100%. Okay, so you can see here, if you enlarge this, you can click on this. Okay, and this first profile is 100%. That means load calculation we are doing for 100%. Okay, 100% to be on safe side. If you want to increase decrease, you can click on this bar. Okay, and simply drag and drop. Okay, so this you have to select the 100% to be safe side. Okay, so I'm going to select this first profile. Okay, and now I'm going to click on third tab, which is assignment. So first profile is January to December. Okay, so January to December is profile number one. This is showing profile number one. Simply select all these. Okay, and click on profile number one and click OK. So your lighting schedule is created. Next schedule is people schedule. So what you will do, simply copy this, click this lighting schedule, right click. Okay, and make it duplicate. So I'm going to make it here duplicate. So next is people. So people schedule. Okay, and people is also comes under this schedule type is fractional. So simply select this fractional schedule, and you can see here this is the people. Okay, now go to this hourly profile. Click on first profile, then go to the assignment and select January to December. Click on first. Okay. Okay, next is your equipment schedule. So duplicate again and you can write it here, equipment schedule. Equipment is also comes under here fractional schedule. So simply click on fractional, then go to the hourly profile, click on first profile assignment, click all. Okay, select all and click on profile number one, then click OK. Then your next schedule is thermostat schedule. So I'm going to create here thermostat thermostat schedule. Okay, and thermostat is comes under here second number. Okay, fan thermostat. So click on fan thermostat and go to the hourly profile, select profile number one, then go to assignment again, select all January to December, then click on profile number one and then click OK again. So these are the four schedule you are creating. So if you want to check any one of these schedule, simply click here and you can see this is your view input report. So you can generate the report for your lighting schedule. So this is your schedule input data. Okay, your lighting schedule. Okay, and here is the your hourly profile. I will let me zoom. Here the date and time who is created, and this is the project details. Lighting schedule fractional hourly profile is from 0 to that means this 1 to this profile is created for 24 hours and value is 100%. Assignment is profile number 1 January to December here. Okay, so this is how it looks like and created by year hourly analysis program version 5.5.11. Okay, so simply close this and next is your u value. So u value for the wall and roof. So click here on the wall, double click here, and now you have to create the outside wall. So I'm going to create here common wall, outside wall. Okay, and outside surface color is always select the dark color. Just dark color is absorbing more heat. So simply click here on dark and which observe pvt is zero point 0.9, that is 19%, 90% observe. So here is your layers. Okay, so for the layer I have the u value here, u value sheet. So simply open this. Okay, and in this u value calculation external wall. So here is the first layer is outside air film, outside air film. So here is your outside air film. Okay, and the last one is inside air film. So for the outside air film, the thermal resistance R value is 0.044. So here you can put update this value 0.044. Okay, 0.044. And inside resistance is the this is the last one, the 5 number inside air resistance, which is 0.12. So this is your inside air resistance, which is here 0.12. So simply update first these two value. Okay, and the next is your plaster, which is 20 thick and thermal conductivity is zero point 0.7 and resistance is 0.028. So create here plaster. Okay, plaster 20 plaster 20 So simply enter the thickness here, the plaster thickness, which is 20 So this is given in So what you will do, simply click here OK and change the unit. Go to this view and preferences, then you can change the SI metric. Click OK. Then again go to this wall, double click and you can edit now here. So here is 20. Okay, and then the thermal conductivity K value is 0 0.7. So here is not asking thermal conductivity, here just asking the R value. Okay, thickness, and you can put the thickness and R value. So R value is 0.028. So I'm going to update this R value 0.028. Okay, next layer is the insulation. So insulation is here 50 thick insulation, and the R value is 2.21. So 50 thick insulation here. Insulation, just update it, insulation 50 So enter the thickness here as well. So 50, and the R value is 2.212. Okay, 2.212. Your next layer is solid block 150 thickness. So here is your solid block 150 thickness. Update this thickness here also 150 and the R value for solid block is 0.081. This R value is taken from manufacturer data, and these value are taken from ASRE 2009 table number 4. Okay, so 0.081. Solid block, the thermal resistance is 0.081. Okay, so this is your layers, 5 layers. So here is one more layer. So what you will do, if you don't want this, simply select this and right click and remove it. If you want to insert, you can insert as well. Face brick is also not required, so right click, remove it. So inside surface enough plaster, then insulation, then next layer is this deleted actually. So what you will do, simply insert one more layer here, which is solid block solid block 150 okay, and enter here 150 as well, and the R value you can update here, which is 2.212 here, 2.212. And insulation, for the insulation I think R value is I updated here wrong. No, for the insulation is 2.212, and for the solid block 0.081. So 0.081 here. Okay, so this is your layers for the outside wall, and simply click OK. Next is your roof. So let me create the roof as well here. So double click here, new default roof, and here roof. Okay, and again the outside color for the roof is dark, and layer is your roof layer here. So roof slab here, 200 thickness. Inside surface resistance is 0.16 and outside is 0.04. So inside is 0.16, 0.16. Okay, 0.16, and outside is 0.04, R value 0.04. Okay, and next is the layer. So let me update quickly here. RCC slab, just check the R value here, 200 thickness and 0.103. So here is 200 and 0.13, 0.103, 103. Next layer is your lightweight concrete 50 Okay, lightweight concrete screed. Okay, 50 So update the thickness here, which is 50, and R value for the screed is 0.026. 0.026. And next layer is lightweight concrete and polystyrene insulation board. It's 50 thickness. So insulation board 50 thickness, and the R value for the insulation board is 2.212. 2.212. Okay, and there is next layer as well here, which is 50 concrete tiles. So I need to update here. So let me insert the layer. Okay, which is 50 concrete tiles. 50 concrete tiles. Here is your thickness 50 and the R value is 0.026. 0.026. Okay, so these are the layers for the roof. Okay, so simply click OK. So your roof layer is also created and wall layer is also created. If you want to see this, simply click here and generate the report. Go to the view input report and you can see here this is the wall construction details. Okay, this is the outside wall and this is the dark color is zero point 0.9 dark and the U value is 0.426 and this is your layers. Okay, so this is how we are creating the U value for in the app. So I hope you guys learn until this step. So in the next step we will create this window door schedule and then go to the and we will go to this space. So I hope you guys learn until this point, and in the next tutorials we will create the uh, schedule for these doors and windows, and then we will start creating spaces in the app. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. If you learn something from this video, so please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, and please share and like my video. So don't forget to skip my video, please watch my full video, so because this will be very important project will be for you, because this I am going to explain from the basic to advanced level each and everything here. And I am going to design, I am going to do the drafting, I am going to do the AC selection, I am going to do the chilled water pipe sizing, chiller selection, pump selection, everything I am going to do here. I am going to do the ESP calculation as well, and then lastly I am going to do the ventilation calculation. Okay, and in the same project I'm going to design the drainage and water supply as well. So please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.